This is the start of my walls today. What I'm doing here is putting a laser level line right around. So I make marks on that line. Right there. I'm blocking the I'm blocking the line. Okay, I've made marks right around. That laser line level is exactly level. Where's my tape? What I've done here, people, is right in the beginning I allowed enough, because I knew that I was going to have fall down there. I've got a trim. See, usually I have a shorter strip drain, and then I'm level right around the outside, and I slope it accordingly to the strip drain. This time I've got it against the wall, so I'm falling down there. That's my lowest point, which is there. I allowed for it because it's then a different measurement up to your niche. It's 900, so I've still got plenty of room, which is cool. But with taking my strip drain to the wall, I've got to now trim all my tiles right around. That's the only point there where it's 300. But that's all right. And then I've still got up to the corners is nearly 2 meters. It's 1995, so nearly 2 meters. 6 threes are 18, so I've got a 200mm cut at the top, so it all works out lovely, lovely bubbly. So now I'll just get a straight edge, zap my line through there, turn off my laser level. I don't need to keep it going. Put it away. You don't waste the battery, otherwise you're having to charge it all the time. No need for that, carry on. That's it. So I'll get marking, cut my first row. I won't go right around and do the whole lot. I do that line and go up, and that'll be my next wall. You always do the first wall that you do when you come into a bathroom is you always do the one that you see first. This is Chriso. I'll be back, and I'll be into the next stage. See you soon. Chriso. We're going up the walls now. See how I always put glue on my tile. Not the wall. Less mess, quicker. You don't have to be super tidy. When you're cutting around your pipes in your vanity, because it's all covered, people. So something like that, I'll just shoot outside, cut that, and we're laughing. I just had to delete a section of my video because my radio came on. Buggered if I know how that happened. Which they would have me up for copyright, so I've had to delete that part of the video. I was just doing the second row, so no biggie. No biggie. Beautiful. I'd like to make my glue just a little bit runnier. I might make it just a tad runnier. Back in a sec. I've made my glue just a little bit runnier, which is nice. Might be a little bit too soft now. It'll be right. It'll come right another 10 or 15 minutes. Now look at that. Ooh, it sticks, just look at that. 60 your fingers. Do I have to cut a bit off? No, I'll be right. I'm right, I think. Cool. Once I get past these wires, I'll be a happy chappy too. Right, we'll do a round hole in the sec for that. little bit of adjustment. You can see it in that line there, so we'll just bring it up a tad. Nice, that's nice.